In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to your Wix website and start promoting your site. By the end, you'll have your Wix site linked to Google Ads, ready to run campaigns, track conversions, and monitor results. First, open your Wix marketing tools. Head to wix.com, log in, and choose the website you want to promote. Make sure it's on a premium plan so advertising features are available. From the dashboard, look to the left side menu and open Marketing. This is your hub for campaign tools and integrations. Inside Marketing, find the Google Ads option. Click the button you see, Get Started, Connect, or a similar prompt. This launches the Google Ads Setup wizard in a new tab or a pop-up. It's a guided flow, so just follow along on screen. When prompted, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it right there. Grant Wix the necessary permissions to connect to Google Ads. If you've never used Google Ads before, the wizard will help you create that account as well. Now, set up your Google Ads account details. Confirm your business name, business address, and billing information. Keep these consistent with your Wix site, brand name, category, and contact info so Google's review process goes smoothly. Accuracy here helps avoid approval delays and ensures your billing currency and location are correct from the start. Before you finalize, make sure you meet all Wix and Google Ads requirements. Your site must be published so Google can access it. If you haven't upgraded yet, switch to a premium plan because free plans don't support this connection. You'll also need a custom domain. In the Wix dashboard, go to Settings, then Website Settings, then Domain. Purchase or connect your custom domain and wait for it to go live. Domain changes can take time to propagate, so be patient. Once it's active, return to the Google Ads setup in Wix. Wix may automatically add the required Google Ads and Google tag to your site. If you see an option for conversion tracking, turn it on and follow the prompts. This enables you to measure clicks, leads, and sales inside Google Ads without extra manual setup. When everything is checked off, the Wix wizard will confirm the connection. Jump into Google Ads to create your first campaign. Search, display, or the format you prefer. Google will review your site and ads, which can take a few hours to a few days. If something isn't approved, read the message in Google Ads, adjust your site content as needed, republish, make sure your domain is fully live, and resubmit to trigger a new review. Once approved, your Wix site becomes the landing page for your ads. Monitor performance in Google Ads and in Wix's marketing or analytics tools to refine your campaigns over time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in